Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram account extra secure, updating your two-step verification password is a smart move. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your password for two-step verification in Telegram, using the latest method for 2025. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look at the top left corner and tap the three lines icon. This will open the main menu. Next, from the menu, choose Settings. Inside the settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is where you manage all your account's safety features. Now, find and tap on Passcode Lock, or it might appear as Lock App, depending on your version. This is where you control access to your app with a passcode. Under this section, tap on Two-Step Verification. This is the feature that adds an extra layer of security to your Telegram account by requiring a password in addition to your SMS code. Inside the two-step verification menu, you'll see an option called Change Password. Tap on it. You'll be prompted to enter your current two-step verification password. Once you've done that, you can create a new password. Make sure to choose something strong and unique to keep your account safe. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Telegram will also give you the option to enter a password hint. This is helpful in case you forget your new password later. Enter a hint if you'd like, or you can skip this step. Once you've confirmed everything, your new two-step verification password is set. That's it. You've just made your Telegram account even more secure. Remember, keeping your two-step verification password updated is one of the best ways to protect your chats and personal information from unauthorized access. If you ever forget your password, Telegram offers recovery options, so don't worry. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more up-to-date tech tips. Stay safe and see you next time.